Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Electro. What I'm going to try to do today is I've got these 4 Master Lock padlocks. They are dimple styles. They're the 2930, 2940, 2950, and 2960. Just same lock, different sizes, and I think it goes from a 4-pin to a 5-pin, and then 6 and 6. And if you kind of look at the security levels, they step up too. This is a 5 security, a 6 security, a 7 security, and then an 8 security level on Master Locks 1 to 10. So start with the first one, and kind of that's probably going to determine if I keep going. But I'm going to try to do the 30 millimeter out of package first. So I have picked one of the other Master Locks before, but not this version. So try to give it an out of pack pick. Let's see. Those come with 4 keys. So set the package to the side. Okay. It does look like it has locking paws, so it could be shimmable. But let's see. We are going to try to pick that. Just look real quick at the bitting. Medium lift, high lift, and then a very low lift in the back. So let me see what I need for as pick goes. Let's see. Guess I'll need maybe this style. Let's see. Try the curved one. Nope, wrong one. Let's see. Sorry. Let's see. Can I get it with this one? Yep, I can get it with possibly with that one. Now let's see if I can find a tensioner to go in this side piece here. I'm gonna try to see if I can go into this side. All right, so I got tension. I am picking and tension in the same direction, but that's kind of it's gonna have to happen because of the way the padlock turns and the space I have. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. 3 feels like it's binding. I'll say it's binding. Okay, I'll reset. 1 springy, 2 springy. Oh, little click out of 3. Oh no, that was 4. Sorry, I was already to the back. Little click out of 3. Little click out of 2. Thought I got a click out of 1. Let's see. Make sure I didn't overset anybody. And we're open. All right. So that one is open. All right, that was the 30. Let's try the 40. So we'll see how many I can get. I don't want to make this video too long, but this is the 40. Now, just out of curiosity, so there's the keys before I let you go. There's the keys to the 30. I wonder if they fit into the keyway. They do, but this one's a 4-pin, and this one is a 5-pin. Again, it does work. Same kind of locking paw, so it's possibly shimmable. So this one is kind of a high lift, no lift. 2 more highs and a medium lift. So, alrighty. Cause I don't think I'm gonna just check. Can I get a pick down that left side? So I'm picking opposite. Yeah, possibly. So let's try that. We'll try a different tensioner because that may help with any kind of counter rotation, possibly. Nope, too big. Let's see, 40. That was probably too big too. Yep. I'll go through all my tensioners trying to find one that. Nope. Alright, we'll try that. See how that does. So, I'll try one. Springy. Two's binding. Slight click out of two. See if I can find three. Nope. Four. This feels like maybe five. I'm just having trouble getting down that right side, so I'm gonna switch back to the other side. So, all right, have to deal with it. So one springy, two feels like I got a set. Three, I got a click. Four, I may have got a click. I'm trying to get up under five. Got a click out of five. So I'm gonna come back out. Check everybody. One is springy. Two feels set. Three. Four is binding. Feels like it may be set. I wonder if these are spools and I'm not getting counter rotation because I'm picking and let's see. Let me switch up to see if this one's any smaller. Can I get down this left side? Still kind of a tight fit. I can slide down there. So let me try that one more time. And get a pick in our tensioner in there. There we go. So that flipped over. So, nothing on one. Trying to get up under two. Slight click on two. So maybe a click on three. Four springy. And I've just dropped some stuff. I heard them all click. Trying to get up under five, but five may be set now. Okay, trying to hope. Felt the core turn just a bit. When I bumped one, trying to come out. Two, or three, I just gotta click on. Like four, I was counter rotating, but it stopped. So let me see. So one feels good. Two is springy. Three is springy. Four just got a click. And five, I just touched it and I felt a little bit deeper false set. It didn't move very much. So just, all right. So one feels good. Two feels good. Three feels solid. My pick is getting stuck. All right. We'll start it front. One's countering. Okay. Oh, deeper false set. Hoping you saw that. One, two. Gonna get up under three. Three's countering. Come on. Okay. Get back up under three. Turn this just a little bit, maybe you can see it better. Sorry. Okay, I feel like I got a click, but I'm not dropped back in my false set. Just gonna kind of touch everybody and see if I dropped a pin. I just heard something click, so 1, 2, 3's not countering. 4 is not. 5 is not. And I don't feel like I have the deepest, so I'm gonna reset. All right, reset. I heard a bunch of pins drop. There's 1. Trying to get on 2. Got a slight click out of 2. Kind of pulsed my tension there for a second just to make sure it dropped. I didn't overset it. See, number 5. Kind of countering. Got a slight click out of 5. We'll come back to the front. I'm snagging on. Oh, it's been 2. Now I'm trying to get up under 1. All right, 1. A little bit of counter out of 1, and I got a pretty good false set now. All right, so numbers. We'll leave number 3 alone for right now. 4 is countering 2. All right, got a click out of 4. Possible click out of 3. All right, we'll see if I can come back out. Pick is getting stuck. Get back up under 1. All right, I feel like I've overset. Possibly. Nope, 1 needed setting. Okay. Alrighty. So I think that's 12 minutes. That's pretty good for a video. I think I'll stop it here. But I did get these 2 blind picked or out of package pick, whatever you want to call it. So, but it's the same keyway. It's just more pins for each one right now. So that was the 30 and the 40 millimeter picked. So I'll do another video soon and try to do out of package picks on the 2 larger ones. All right, thanks for watching.